This is Dr. Westbrook. Welcome to Love Notes, where we challenge notions of love and sex. We start with the first step, which is to not engage in any more sex that you don't want to have. And that is difficult. It sounds pretty easy, and your partner's probably saying, "Oh, just what we needed, just what you wanted. Now you just get permission to not want to do this." And they probably will say, "Well, now we'll never have sex, because if we wait to have sex when it comes out of, when it comes up for you organically, we'll never do it." So that's understandable. That's pretty normal to feel that way. And the purpose of this is to get you what you want. It's not to torture you. So this is a temporary step in order to get you a more satisfying sexual relationship because of what we've talked about in the past. It's an important step. It's a step that is needed, and it's a temporary step. Eventually, after a while, you'll be able to engage in sex that maybe you don't want to every once in a while. But for now, we kind of need to clear things up and give your desire some room to figure out what it wants and what it needs. So the first step is to stop having sex that you don't want to. Ask yourself, am I doing this because I want to, or am I doing this because it's to please the other person, or it's to appease the other person? And as I said, it's really hard. So I think we need to acknowledge that the other person, this is not easy for them. It's not easy to say no to the person that you love, especially with something so important. What you want to do is do the exercise, understanding my desire, after you stopped having the sex that you don't really want to have, to start having the conversation with yourself of what is it that closes it down? What is it that opens it up for me? So that we start to develop a list of things that can contribute to having more sexual desire. And this takes a while. Your body needs to kind of adjust to the idea of, like, I'm not going to do this thing that I've been doing for a while.